Good morning, students. Welcome in our English online class. Students, in our previous lesson, we have started the first chapter of English course book, that is the Golden Touch. We have learned in our previous lesson that Midas was the king and he was fond of collecting gold. He wanted that he had more gold. He was in a habit of looking at the gold in the dark room in his palace. But still, he was not satisfied. He wanted more gold. One day, when he was sitting in the dark room and looking at the gold, a stranger came and asked his wish. That time the king said, I want more gold. The stranger said, so it be. And then afterwards, he woke up the next day. So today we will get to know that what will happen in this chapter after his wish. How his wish lost his life. We will get to know in today's lesson. So be ready with your English course book, students. He started to touch things within his reach. Now students, who is he here? King Midas. Now he started to touch things, whatever things he had in his room, he started to touch to check the stranger's words. And as soon as he did, they turned into gold. And as per the stranger's sayings, the things were changing into gold. The bunch of roses in a vase, the curtains, the bed sheet, and his clothes all turned to gold. You can see here in his room, whatever the things he touched, all the things turned into gold. The bed sheet, his clothes, the curtains, the table, everything. Now he ran down to the garden, which was full of blooming roses. The flowers were blooming in the garden of different colors. Every flower he touched turned into gold. Now whatever things he was touching, all the things were turning into gold. So you can see here the color of the rose flowers changed into yellow color, that is of gold. Satisfied at having found so much gold, King Midas went for breakfast. Alas, the food and drink he touched turned to solid gold. Now, when he went at the breakfast table, he started to eat the food. But the food, the drink, whatever he was touching, that were turning into gold. The fruits, the drink, the glasses, all the things turned into gold. So he was not able to eat anything now. The worst was still to come, and the dissatisfying factor was here at now when his little daughter came to meet him. His little daughter, who rushed into his arms, also turned into a golden statue. As per the stranger sayings, when the king Midas touched his daughter turned into gold. Now Midas was in a great sorrow and despair. Now Midas was very sad because there is no one in his palace to whom he could talk. He could share his feelings because everything whatever he was touching were turning into gold. Now students, after this page, now come to the next page. How I wish I was the poorest man on earth. If only I could get my daughter back. Now he was not happy. He had too much gold, but still he cannot able to speak to his daughter because his daughter turned into a statue of gold. Suddenly the stranger who had given him the golden touch appeared before him. Now here, when he was sitting and thinking all these things, a stranger came in front of him. Are you happy, dear Midas? now that you can turn everything into gold? Now he asks the question to the king. Now I think you should be happy because whatever you wish, now you got all the things you had, now too much gold. So he asks, now are you happy? Now the king said, I have never been more miserable in my life. I have lost what I truly love. Now I know the gold is not everything. Take back my golden touch, I beg of you, and give my daughter back to me. Now the king said, I am not happy now because the most lovable thing which I love, my daughter, is not now here. She also turned into gold. So I want my daughter back. Take my golden touch now. I don't want any gold now. So take all the gold whatever you have given to me and only give my daughter back. The stranger took pity on the king. Now, when the stranger said that the king is not happy, the king is very sad, he was in sorrow. So, he said, the king, bring some water from the river that flows near your palace. Sprinkle that water over everything. He suggested that if you want everything in its normal position, then you have to sprinkle the water of the river that flows near your palace. What is the meaning of sprinkle, students? Spray around a few drops. Okay, if you spray few drops on the things, whatever things you wanted to change in its normal place, you have to spray some drops of water on that thing. Then the thing will come in its normal place. Now we will get to know what will happen after the stranger's saying. Midas rushed to fill a jug with the river water. Soon the jug and the king's outfit started getting back to their original state. Now King Midas went to the river and he fetched the water. As soon as he filled the jug with the water, his clothes, the jug turned into normal, original position. His clothes turned into the colorful things. Now then what happened? He then poured some water over his daughter's statue. Then immediately he rushed to his daughter's statue and poured the water over the statue. Immediately, suddenly, at that point only, what happened? His little daughter smiled and hugged him. His daughter got the life and she hugged him. Now King Midas was very happy because he got his daughter back. Then he ran around the garden and the palace. He kept on pouring water to bring everything back to the original form. Now, when he got his daughter back, he went to other place to get the things in its original form. He went to the garden and pouring the water, and then afterwards the flower come to its original form. After this, King Midas went on to become a wise and noble king. From this happening, he learnt a lesson that we should not become greedy in our life. Whatever we have to be satisfied with that. If we want more in our life, then our greediness change our life, change our fortune, our luck. So now after this happening, he became a wise and noble king. He had learnt that gold was not the most precious thing in the world. Now he learned that except gold, other things are also there in the world. And The things which he loved are also there, and gold is not precious for him. Except gold, other things are also there in his life to which he should pay attention. So students, that's all in today's lesson. I hope the chapter is clear to you. Watch the video attentively twice so that you can easily understand the content of the chapter. So students, that's all in today's lesson. Have a nice day.